Here's Matthew sitting in his Zumba.
Can you tell you again?
And of course, once again, we get the camera out so he quits talking.
He doesn't even know we have the camera out. Oh yeah. There you go. Yeah. Oh. Are you singing? Are you singing to yourself? Ooh, ooh. You make it slobbery. Slobby, slobby. Whoa. Whoa. Where you going? You gonna jump out of this thing? Huh? You gonna jump out?